Alright guys, hey guys, it's your boy AKLC and welcome back to another unboxing video of mine. And this time I bought a UPS just because in Bangladesh currently current is going very constantly and voltage is going up and down. It put strain on your PC, so I had to buy a UPS to protect my components and protect my monitor. Also, I'm going to show you this entire specification from the website also as well. Now I will put all the information on the sides so that you guys can see it. And this one has a 1200 VA and loaded capacity at 720 watt. Output voltage is 220 voltage to 240 voltage, and the loaded capacity is 720 and it matches with my power supply, which is 750 watt. That's why I bought it. It matches with my power supply. And the most interesting feature about this UPS is that this one has AVR, automatic voltage regulation. What this does, it stabilizes your voltage, like when voltage is going up and down or current suddenly goes out and then suddenly come back again, that put strain on your PC. And what this UPS does, it controls that voltage, so you get a clear flow of voltage, current, whatever you want to say, so that your component actually have a good health, like it makes it more durable. So this is a unique feature, like not other UPS have this, like Power Guard or any other companies you want to say. That's why is one of the reason why I bought a Marsriva UPS. And now that we have opened the box, where we have got a manual, we also have a fuse. Like I don't know where we're gonna put it on, like in the cable there is no fuse socket, so where am I supposed to put that on? Also the manual. Let's open this up. And also I'm going to put all the original, like from the official website specification on the screen. You guys can stop the video and check the components and other information for yourself, because you can just pause the video if it goes too fast. Alright, now as you guys can see, this UPS has 3 sockets of 3 pins plug, and this is going to be very useful for me. But the problem with my power supply, for my PC's power supply, the pin of the cables pin is like the pin of the have you guys seen AC's socket? Not AC socket, AC's wire. That has a really big 3 socket plug, and that won't fit in my UPS, so I have to use an external socket for that. But my monitor, 2 of my monitor can easily be fitted in the back side. And I'm a little concerned that this is the shade is like metallic, and in the front, as the front part is plastic, and there's ventilations. You can also see the coil, external parts. Yeah, looking pretty good. Now all that is left, I have to put that over there in my PC. So let's get into it. Alright guys, I have set it up my UPS, and it's now currently plugged in with my 2 monitors. One is over here and one is at the back, and this one is for my power supply for my PC. And the problem with this power supply is that it has, have you guys seen how do I explain this? Oh yeah, the AC. Have you guys seen AC's plug? It has a rounded 3 plug, and it's a big one, and that socket is not available in this UPS in the back. It's just a normal 3 plug socket, so I have to use a multi-plug. And this one is safe, this wasn't custom made, it's really durable, so that's why I made it. It's not like normal what do you say, normal multi-plugs. and it's giving me great backup. I haven't tested how long it will give me backup, but it will give me backup for like 15 to 20 minutes maximum, I think. And it's currently giving backup to this monitor and this monitor. Remember my new monitor MSI, this one is a power hungry monitor, and this one is just, it takes a little bit. And now it's drawing, it will draw more power, so maybe I'll get 15-minute maximum backup. But my UPS is not for giving me backup. I don't do, what do you say, any editing or anything stuff like that that is essential for giving me backup. But what this UPS is initially bought because to give me protection when voltage goes up and down, and then what do you say, when currents goes like in an instant, it really affects your motherboard, your components, your monitor. Because my PC has a huge power supply and this one has a lot of resistor and etc, but my monitor, these two monitors only have a small power supply. And that's not even a power supply, that's a converter or something that limits the current needed for the monitor to open. And it's really small, it's behind there, behind those wires, but I cannot show it show you guys that right now. But those are small, and for big protection UPS is needed. It is needed. And in foreign country you don't have voltage up and down like in Bangladesh. Like Bangladesh current supply is really bad and there's nothing we can do about it. It's going to be years of revolution, then we're gonna get a decent supply of current. And in Bangladesh you normally, like in my area, I don't have, like, current doesn't go away that much, but when it goes, like transmitter explodes, or in rainy season current goes away, something like that. So to give me backup so that when current goes away it doesn't shut down instantly, that's going to create problem for my components and etc. So yeah, I hope this power supply UPS give me good backup, and after like 3 to 5 months I'm going to give my a review video, like how is it going and etc. And this one has 2 years warranty, so if you guys bought this one and it happens something like coil got burned or etc, which is very unlikely, this one is a very good one. This specifications are really great. I have well, I can't say it right now because I haven't used it well, so I have to use it. And this one has 2 fans, by the way, so it won't get that much hot. And you should, like, after 1 year you should change your battery, because you shouldn't keep it, and you have warranty, so they're gonna replace the battery for free. Just tell them my battery isn't giving me backup, so I want to change it, and they're gonna give it to you for free because you have warranty. And also when you go to change the battery, you should clean up your fans, because the fans should be cleaned up and it shouldn't have dust around it. So yeah, and thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. And oh, this monitor has officially, I have been using it for 5 months plus, and I'm going to do my review on it, so stay tuned for that.